Is the US secretly rolling out Ripple XRP on a big scale? Since the SEC lawsuit, there has been many ups and downs for the Ripple XRP. Its price fell down, but also rose to a 3-year high of $1.96, so near to the $2 mark. Now, there is a new narrative that is the United States secretly rolling out Ripple XRP on a big scale. Maybe or maybe not, but let's find out. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know about the US rolling out XRP after the lawsuit is over. Is Ripple winning the lawsuit? And finally, the price prediction of XRP, so let's start our video. Before we jump to the main topic, let's talk about what is Ripple XRP for the newbies, but if you are familiar with XRP, you can jump to the next part of the video. All about XRP. Guys, Ripple was first launched in 2012, 3 years after Bitcoin, as OpenCoin, and Ripple Labs is an American-based software company that developed the XRP. So, XRP is a cryptocurrency, or you could say that it is a digital money that is used to deal with buying and selling digitally in an anonymous way. It has no record like our money that has a number issued by the government. It was created by Jed McCabe, Arthur Brito, and Ripple CTO David Schwartz. Later, the OpenCoin was rebranded to XRP and Ripple Labs was formed. It's now controlled by CEO Brad Garlinghouse. XRP is unique, unlike other cryptocurrencies. Ripple's XRP is changing the ways of the cryptocurrency. It was originally designed to have much quicker and cheaper transactions than other cryptocurrencies, making it more suitable for day-to-day payments. Its ability to be exchanged to any currency or valuable such as gold within unified minimal commission is a great advantage the XRP offers. Guys, recently the total crypto market reached $2 trillion for the first time in the past weeks, and one of the main drivers of the boost has been XRP. As reported in December, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has filed a case against Ripple Labs, which led to a drastic price drop. But the Ripple SEC lawsuit is also the reason why XRP is gaining momentum of going to the moon. To understand today's video, it's important that you should know about what is going around between Ripple XRP and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple SEC lawsuit. The crypto community is extremely curious about what will happen to Ripple Labs and the token asset XRP after the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple and 2 executives. On December 22, 2020, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission filed a complaint against Ripple Labs. The complaint essentially alleged that Ripple had engaged in a multi-year, sustained practice of illegally selling unregistered, non-exempt securities in the form of its XRP token. This has it targeting Ripple, as well as its CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen. The SEC argues that XRP should be treated in the same way that shares of a public company are. But Ripple is arguing against the claim by stating that XRP has been identified as a currency in the past. It says it isn't subject to the same regulations that a security has to meet. Ripple had to face some major backlash after the SEC sued them, and even the cryptocurrency exchanges Crypto.com, Coinbase, and OKCoin said that they were suspending trading of the XRP token following the Securities and Exchange Commission complaint against its developer, Ripple Labs. Guys, you will be shocked to know that XRP lost as much as a third in value after the SEC charged Ripple over how it sold the digital token. The token fell to its lowest since November 20th, effectively wiping out all previous months' 177% gains. XRP is a cryptocurrency in the same vein as Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, one major difference is that it is sold by Ripple in segments at selective periods of time. That's much different than the typical mining method that other cryptocurrencies use. Ripple has also been looking for ways to draw in new users, such as airdrops by Flare Network. This also works to further decentralize the cryptocurrency and help cut out the middleman. The bad news for Ripple comes as cryptocurrencies gain extra attention. That includes Bitcoin reaching an all-time high and crypto exchange Coinbase filing for an initial public offering, or IPO. US to roll out XRP. Guys, XRP is under the lawsuit by the United States, while it is also the cryptocurrency of the United States. But there is something else. Guys, an article on Ripple Insight back in 2017 states that the Federal Reserve released its Faster Payments Task Force's action plan for bringing faster payments to the United States. It highlighted Ripple's ability to underpin the next generation of cross-border payments. Set up in 2015 after the Fed recognized the need to spur improvements in payments, the task force brought together a diverse group of 320 stakeholders, including banks, regulators, end users, and technology companies. to create a roadmap for modernizing the US payments infrastructure, and Fed Faster Payment Task Force has given Ripple XRP the vote of confidence for the next generation of global payments. Ripple played a leading role in establishing this future vision for payments. But guys, so much has changed since then, and among all, the SEC lawsuit is the one to be really considered. On one side, US has been giving the vote of confidence to XRP and then suing it. If that was the case, then why did the US Securities and Exchange Commission file this complaint against Ripple? Are they slowing down the process for something? Some of us are saying that it was all planned, and because we know that the world is far, far ahead of us. XRP to win the lawsuit. Due to the Ripple SEC lawsuit, the price of its XRP token fell below 25 cents. It remained weak as major exchanges like Coinbase took it off their platforms. After that, it seemed things would only get worse for this popular altcoin. But it's the cryptocurrency that we are talking about, and anything can happen. According to InvestorPlace, instead of getting destroyed by the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC, it's beating them in court. The case may still be hanging over their head, yet, as seen the crypto's parabolic move from around 45 cents to around $1.68 in the past month, if confidence continues to run high, it'll soon be out of the woods. Assuming it continues to win in court, the price of Ripple's token should continue to trend higher. In addition, with major cryptos like Bitcoin still making new highs, and even coins like Dogecoin proving skeptics wrong, overall short-term cryptomania may be sufficient to support additional upward price moves. If Ripple can prove that at one point the SEC regarded Ripple as a currency rather than a security, there may be grounds for dismissing the case. Yet that's not the only way in which Ripple is beating its regulators. Other decisions from Judge Sarah Netburn have also been in the defendant's favor. Again, it's not guaranteed that XRP will soon be in the clear, but as more information comes out, more of it indicates the prosecution is in over its head. In addition, while as of late it's beaten the SEC in the courts, things could go south at any moment. But even with risks in mind, a small speculative position in Ripple may be worth it at today's prices. Price predictions for XRP. Guys, an interesting and surprising thing is that the price of XRP is going to be skyrocketed because if after Ripple wins the lawsuit, XRP will be protected by the SEC. You know what this means for the XRP? It will be a listed cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency exchanges Crypto.com, Coinbase, and OKCoin, who delisted the XRP after the lawsuit was announced, will also relist it, and it will be available for these exchanges. XRP is a native asset of the XRP ledger. It is literally a part of the protocol and needed for it to function properly. It's not an investment in Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source that is not controlled by anyone. It's the most efficient, secure, and decentralized blockchain in the world. According to experts, the recent price of XRP after the lawsuit hearing is going up, and in no time, the $5 mark will be crossed. The experts say that it seems to many investors that XRP, if remains moderately stable in the future, will see some exponential growth, and according to the expert claims, the value of XRP will go up to $500 after the lawsuit. According to CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is $1.41 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 15 billion USD. XRP is up 4.63% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 4, with a live market cap of $63 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 45 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it was a big help for you. What do you think? Is XRP going to be available for more people after the lawsuit is over? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching.